Hey. Scleroderma Smarter here. Coming on to talking about this. So, scleroderma. Overproduction of collagen in the body, causing fibrous tissue. It's in my lungs. So, what's happening is the fibers in my lungs, instead of them being soft and pliable and, help you breathe, just think of a stiff, hard spider web throughout my lungs. I have them both my lungs, the lower lobes of my lungs. Last year, when I went to the doctor, my pulmonologist, I was told my lungs were in remission. It means they hadn't gotten any worse because of the Salsept I was on. The Salsept is the immune suppressant because it's my immune system that is overproducing the collagen, which is affecting my lungs, my skin, my muscles, my face, my entire body, my esophagus, my intestines, stomach. The only thing it hasn't attacked is my heart. So my poor heart is strong enough to help pump all the necessary oxygen-rich blood throughout my body, even though my lungs are not producing enough of it, So my heart's taking over what the lungs aren't doing. About, 2 weeks ago, and I think it was my fault. I think what happened when I was filing my nails, I didn't have my mask on, or I didn't have my dust collector fan on, and I think I inhaled because I literally filed them all off, all the acrylics that I had on with my electric file, my e-file, and I think, I think that I inhaled a lot of acrylic dust when I was doing that. I've been coughing at night. Went to the dentist yesterday. They fixed a cavity I had. They have to drill out the old stuff. And I think I swallowed some of that gross stuff too, but... So, I'm wheezing. Oh, hi, honey. I'm wheezing and I'm coughing and my head hurts from coughing, and I'm probably going to have to call my pulmonologist. Hopefully, I don't have anything bad going on. We do suffer from pneumonia a lot, and pneumonia seems to be, a pretty strong killer among us because our lungs don't have the strength or the capacity to expel any, fluids that we get in our lungs. So, just another way to make you scleroderma smarter. Another one of the challenges that we have to overcome. Another one of the issues that we deal with. So, yeah, just thought I'd come out here and make you all scleroderma smarter.